Hey, welcome to Nuer Tube. How to accept apologies. There's many way. Take a to one day right kaje day and yoga shedware and all that. So banakaling English. Uh, me ku apologize karan ki dong let jo. Okay, guaye je ka. Okay, chana je talk. How to accept apologies? Don't mention it. They learn. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Not at all. I quite understand. It is okay. You can have it. That is all right. That is okay. No harm done. Never mind. Don't worry. Forget it. Let it go. Let's forget it. It doesn't matter. There's no need. Can't take a rupin con did apologize dong mi shran che dwe dwer ki che lat kam gwa dob dan de joke jen o go telerek ke shigman yam don't mention it I chu jalar telerek not at all a telungu ke telerek jen bo jen kela I quite understand dong de wai cha jang cha chubloide. It is okay. Well, general telerek ke gwa you couldn't have it. No, charo da luang like don't tell me go mi charat. Can all this thing there you go no there ka practice ko there ka kule ngach. Don't mention it. Not at all. I quite understand. It's okay. You couldn't have it. That's all right. That's okay. No harm done. Never mind. Don't worry. Forget it. Let it go. Let forget it. It doesn't matter. There is no need. And no. So go share, go like, go comment, go subscribe ke jen channel me. Hene biya take a mal. Bye bye.